3rd February 2022. Indian Navy's 5th Scorpion-class submarine sails out for first sea trial. The government has approved the continuation of the scheme of assistance to national sports federations with an outlay of 1,575 crore rupees for the 15th Finance Commission. Neeraj Chopra nominated for Laureus 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 World Breakthrough of the Year Award. Punjab National Bank and Patanjali Ayurved Limited have launched co-branded contactless credit card in partnerships with the NPCI. Bharat Dynamic Limited signed a contract worth 82 crore rupees for the manufacture and supply of Konkurs anti-tank missiles for the Indian Navy. KONKURS Konkurs anti-tank missiles for the Indian Army. Digital platform Dukaan DUKAN Dukaan partnered with Simple Simple to provide buy now pay later services. Domestic rating agency CRISIL estimate India's GDP to grow at 7.8% in financial year 23. A London-based brand finance says LIC is the 10th most valued insurance brand globally. Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary, Gujarat, KHIJADIA, Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat and Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary in UP, BAKHIRA, Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary in UP were declared Ramsar sites, and with this total number of Ramsar sites in India goes up to 49. India and Nepal signed an MOU for the construction of a motorable bridge over the Mahakali River under Indian grant assistance, and it will connect Dharchula DHAR Dharchula in India to Dharchula in Nepal Dharchula in Nepal. Exim Bank of India and the Sri Lankan government signed a $500 million line of credit. Mithali Raj moves to second spot in ICC ODI rankings. Mandu festival is celebrated in Dhar district, Madhya Pradesh. Who released the report titled WHO released the report titled Global Analysis of Healthcare Waste in Context of COVID-19 Status, Impact and Recommendations, stating that it poses a threat to human health and environments. Who released a report, and the report name is Global Analysis of Healthcare Waste in the context of COVID-19 status, impact and recommendations, and this report states that it poses a threat to human health and environment. Nirmala Sitharaman says small entrepreneurs can now tap insurance companies for surety bonds, SURETY, surety bonds. Again, Nirmala Sitharaman says small entrepreneurs can now tap insurance companies for surety bonds. Sri Lanka to buy fuel from Indian oil to face energy crisis. China honors PLA Galwan commander as Winter Olympics torchbearer. New Zealand's Derry Michael Dairy MITCHELL Derry Michael named winner of the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award 2021. Games 24/7 appoints Hrithik Roshan as the brand ambassador of Rumi Circle RUMMY Rumi Circle. Indian Navy conducts flight test of Rafale M fighter jets at INS Hansa in Goa. Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute has identified new Karanjit species fish or Polavata species named Scomboroides pelagicus from Indian coast. Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute has identified new Karanjit species or Polavata fish named Scomboroides Scomboroides pelagicus pelagicus from Indian coast. A book titled India that is Bharat, Coloniality, Civilizations, Constitutions, authored by J. Sai Deepak. A book titled India that is Bharat, Coloniality, Civilizations, Constitutions, authored by J. Sai Deepak.